What's up? I'm Ozzy. A lot of you know me as Aesthetic Ozzy. Well, if you're new here, basically, I lost 100 pounds twice. Second time, I got much leaner and got in the best shape of my life, got visible abs, and I've been able to keep it off for 2 years and running now. And today, I wanted to talk about why lean is law. And I feel like I'm especially qualified to talk about this topic because, well, I've been on both sides, and I've been on both sides more than once. I've been fat, and I've been, well, aesthetic cozy. But before we get into it, I'm a big believer that if you're not in shape, especially as a man, then you're not your best self. And if you're not your best self, it is impossible for you to live your best life. With that being said, if you want to work with me one on one to unlock your best self, unlock your best life, and get in the best shape of your life. Links in the description. It's also in my channel bio. You can book a free consultation. Or you can just comment or DM Lean on Instagram or TikTok at aesthetic_o.z. It'll also be in the description. But yeah, let's get into it. Why lean is law. First one, I feel like this is just obvious, but I'm going to say it anyway. You're just much healthier. When I say that, like, you wake up with more energy, right? Like, and I would say, granted, I haven't gotten it tested, but I'm almost certain my testosterone levels went up. Like, I just have more drive on day to day life, more overall energy. And when I say energy, I'm talking both physically, but also mentally. I have much less brain fog, and just I'm able to, it's easier for me to be productive throughout the day. Being lean, like as a guy, especially puts you in just a much healthier place hormonally. Like it, the more body fat you have, especially beyond like that 20% plus range, dude, like literally your body fat will turn a lot of testosterone into estrogen, which the long story short is that is not good for you. That is not good for you on multiple levels. It quite literally makes you a weaker version of yourself. Next point, it improves your quality of life on every level. And pretty much, okay, so one, physically, right? Let's just be real. You're gonna like what you see in the mirror a lot more. And that's not from like some narcissist standpoint or whatever. It's not that. Part of it is gonna be one, let's be real, to get lean, especially if you're in the Western world, especially here in the US, you're gonna have to lose at least a decent amount of fat, if not quite a lot of fat, like I had to make it happen, right? But due to the process of doing that, like something I like mentioning is that I believe the fitness journey is a mental journey disguised as a physical one, right? The idea of delaying gratification. I'm not saying this is 100% guaranteed, but more likely than not, like it becomes more normal for you, right? Your mindset kind of changes, and like you're much more willing to stick through hard things. But then also, like other aspects of life it affects. Yes, physical, right? I'm not gonna pretend. Yes, it is very nice seeing the gain, seeing, especially if you like remember where you started, and then you get there, like, oh my god, I can see like veins in my abs and stuff and all of that. It's like, yeah, but it's more like I made that happen, right? Like you had to earn that, and there's a certain sense of pride that'll come from that as well, and confidence, because I mean, you kept a hard commitment to yourself, right? But then also even career wise, it's helped me. Like people notice, bro. Like like I think part of it is like, well, yes, they'll physically see the gains that you have and all of that, but on top of that, it changes how you enter situations and just how you move through life. Like even career wise, it's helped me. Like socially too, the other thing. Dude, people will start conversations with you more. People, to be honest, disrespect you a lot less and will kind of, be willing to hear you out on things before automatic versus before. I've had situations where I would be talking to somebody and I say word for word the exact same thing when I was fat versus like now, and where they just dismissed it before, but now I say that exact same talking point and they give it consideration. And it's something that used to annoy me because I'm like, yo, I'm the same person. But then on the other hand, because you're like, oh man, that's messed up. I'm the same person. You realize just how much you're judged on it, and that's built into all of us as humans. When you go deeper, you realize that there's more to it, right? Like, yeah, on the surface, it might be annoying because it's like, yeah, you're judged on your appearance and just how much that's baked into human nature. But even more, I'd say you're judged on the level of physical shape that you're in. I say this to say, like most of us, even if it's subconsciously, I'm not saying whether this is right or wrong, but this is just a part of life and a fact of reality. It's one of the shape that you're in is one of the easiest indicators of the level of respect that you have for yourself. And then it kind of taps into this thing that, like, if you don't respect yourself, others kind of, I think it's subconscious, but then we'll kind of be like, well, why should I respect you? And that's where a lot of the mistreatment or disrespect will come from when you're out of shape, fat, whatever. But then it's also part of why you get treated with a lot more respect socially when you are in shape, because like just off rip they can look at you and know, okay, this guy respects himself. Way more likely than not, this is a disciplined person. Way more likely than not, this is somebody that's not just gonna take certain things laying down. This is, yeah, this is somebody that can show up for themselves. And if they can do that, the thing that most people ignore or aren't willing to actually tackle, despite the fact that, let's be real, especially as guys, every guy wants to be lean on some level. You might say the cope or the copium, as I like to call it, or whatever, or the victim weight, which is just BS. That's cope. But it's built into, it's not coincidence that all the superheroes in movies are always lean, way more likely than not. And that a lot of the people, a lot of the men that are looked up to in society are usually lean. I'm not saying there aren't ones that aren't lean, but like, you get the point I'm making here. Like, even people, I've had experiences, even people that are rich will show me respect because of it. Like, I've experienced that more than once. That's another thing too, because it's that rare, especially in today's society, especially in the US. Next point. I mean, it's kind of tied to the others anyway. This is a topic I could talk about all day. But basically, you look and you feel your best, right? And I'd say you operate your best as well, like cognitively, right? Like, I've noticed my both my recall and my retention in terms of my memory is just much better. But then also in terms of you look your best, yeah, like you can literally, when you get lean, you can literally get the cheapest clothes and it'll look much better on you because it just fits you different. Like, because at that point, you, when I say unlocking aesthetics, it really is just getting lean. And when I say lean, I'm talking lean, not skinny. So when I say lean, that means a decent to high amount of muscle and a lower body fat. The combination of those two things. But you basically, yeah, your V taper starts popping more. You see your abs, you see definition everywhere. And yeah, you look better even in cheaper stuff. Talk less of if you decide to then toss on even nicer things too, is up to you, whatever. But then also just, yeah, just living life, moving through, people will notice. And it's not even just that, but then your level of respect for yourself, it goes up. But yeah, I'm gonna stop here because this is a topic I could easily talk about all day, especially because like I have, like I said, I feel like I'm uniquely qualified to speak on this because I've been on both sides, both fat and like fit slash lean more than once. So like I truly seen this in a way that probably most people haven't. But yeah, I'm gonna stop it there. If you guys want another part to this, I can, like I said, I can do this all day. But yeah, I mentioned it earlier in the video and I'll mention it again. I'm a big believer that if you're not in shape, you're not your best self, especially as a man. And if you're not your best self, it's impossible for you to live your best life. Now, if you want to work with me one on one to unlock your best self and unlock your best life, links in the description and in my channel bio. You can easily book a free consultation call, see if my fitness coaching can help you and how it can. But oh yeah, and you can also comment or DM lean at aesthetic_o.z on either Instagram or TikTok. It'll also be in the description. But other than that, that's it. Have a blessed day.